Karbi Anglong Assam, Meghalaya, Japet Ahoi, Stolok Sudak Pathak, Pini Khanduli along, West Karbi Anglong, Deputy Commissioner Lapen, West Jayantiya District, Deputy Commissioner Angbong, Kachingvai Ponpasi, Nretama Perangke Pen Card News along, Birtanapali. Karbi Anglong Assam, Lapen Meghalaya, Japet Ahoi along, Stolok Sudak Tomon Kesu Aphuthak, Pini West Karbi Anglong, Deputy Commissioner Lapen, West Jayantiya District, Deputy Commissioner Atung, Khanduli along, Chetong Dunsi, Japet Ahoi along, Monsam Avar Mon Kapadu Thuji Aphan, District Level Kachingvai, Amai Ingni Ponlo. State Hini, Japet Ahoi along, Monsam Manujo, Kesom, Kapathil Aphan, Pupu Angbong Aklong Palida. Kachingvai along, Rong Asar Theatuma Phanta Apha Ponlo. Jiklu ejon thak Japet Ahoi alam pen Kacharbo alam, Date Pia Sorkar pen, Nanglang Dundi Pulote, Monsam Bang Jima Puta, Kar Juhor alam The Klang Dongdo.
D.C. West Jayantiya Hills aru logote SP ahisil aru tekhetokol magistrate hokol ahisil aru ami yat ki kori amar falor pra yat village headman aru tekhetor falor pra jikhini villages khini ahisil telokok ami yate prothom kotha hoise teloke nijor falor pra jikhini problem ase khini solve koribo lagibo gotike ami telokok ei ekeloge bohai pelai prothom khon aji meeting koralu aru telokor photo মানে decide koribo eta amak date dibo অতি সোনকালে তেতিয়া আমাৰ ইয়াত যিমানখিনি গাঁও আছে তাৰ হেডমেন খিনি আৰু তেখেতসকলৰ গাঁৱৰ যিখিনি হেডমেন আছে তেখেতৰ লগত এখন মিটিং হ'ব যাতে আমাৰ ইয়াত কোনো ধৰণৰ অপ্ৰীতিকৰ ঘটনা ভৱিষ্যতে নহয় আৰু ইয়াৰ যিখিনি মানুহ আছে তেখেতকে শান্তিৰে থাকিব পাৰে হেতু আমাৰ প্ৰচেষ্টা হয় হয় শান্তি আলোচনা ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ ওকে
express my thanks also to my counterpart from West Karbi Anglong, Madam DC. Although SP is not here, but I would like to thank everybody we had this meeting. It was very peaceful and cordial that we brought the two communities together to meet under one roof, and they have made program to meet again to discuss on the way forward for to bring peace to both the communities. The Panar living in Khanduli and the Karbis living in the Assam side. They have made their meeting also they will meet again soon, one of these days. They will intimate us. We will also send our representative to be part of the meeting. But overall, the day was very nice and cordial and peaceful. And we hope that peace will remain in this area. This will be solved because it depends more on the two communities, the Panars and the Karbis. We have started today. They have come, they have met, they have discussed that when they will meet again. So that is the first step for peace. And I told them also that peace starts today.
Boy Talang Sopen Jasuning He Nankilo Birta.